Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico from the Creativity Cave, and I'm excited to share with you today some information about my new catalog paper shares. I just went through all the new paper and oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. Oh, I'm going to show it all to you. So I'm giggling too because in the first take of this video, I forgot to hit record. Anyway, I thought that might give you a giggle. I almost left it in, but I didn't. Anyway, so how the shares work are you can choose a couple of different options and then you can decide which one works best for you. And I've got a really awesome bonus if you get the I Want It All. And I think you're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to show you what is included, all the pieces. And then I hope you'll join me. So you can register it in the link below this video, in the description of this video, and maybe I'll link it like up here for you too. So if you would like to get in on this, register now, because once my spots are filled, I'm going to be closing registration because I only can do so many, because there just are only so many hours in the day. Anyway, I hope you'll join me. And if you have any questions, please feel free to pop them in the description or in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them for you. Okay, so here we go. All right, guys. So the paper shares are a really great way to get a sample of all the new papers. You can try them out, see which ones you like if you want to buy a full pack of them. And then you can get everything right now without having to spend a fortune, which is really the best perk about all of this. And I offer a really great deal. I've got some bonuses that are included if you order from me, so I think you're going to like it. Okay, here we go. So first of all, these are all the new papers from the annual catalog. And like I said, there's 3 options. There's the standard share, there's the color family share, and then there's the I Want It All share. The I Want It All comes with a bonus, so I encourage you to get that one because it's the best deal. You save a little bit, plus you get a free assortment of paper from the host pack, which is amazing. Like, it's 48 extra sheets, so it's pretty cool. And so that's the best deal. So they are all found in our catalog here. You can follow right along with me if you want. All the papers are listed starting on page 131 of the new catalog, and it feels so nice to be able to open this up. Now, I don't have them in order here, but I do have all of them. So let me show you. So we're going to start with probably one of my favorite papers. This is the Hues of Happiness. And these are what are featured on the cover of the catalog. Look at how pretty these are. Now, whenever you do a share with me or a paper share at all, the papers are getting cut into quarters. Okay, so everything is going to be a 6x6 piece with a couple of exceptions, and I'll point those out in a little bit. But they're so pretty. So there's one. Then we've got this one. So these are all papers that are in the standard share. This is the Sun Prince, I think, paper. But bear with me because I don't know the names of any of these yet. My brain is too full from the last catalog. I'm trying to purge all the old things and bring in the new things. But this is this new black and white paper. It's so pretty. You know they had me at black and white, right? Oh, I love this. So awesome. Look at I love these. I'm excited. Can you tell? Okay, then here's another new one. Happy Forest Friends Designer Series paper. This is a shut up. It's so cute. Look at this. Little mushrooms with cute little pattern on the back. They're like watercolored, so they're just so stinking cute. Look at the little fox. And then another pattern on the back. Look at those cute little trees. Pattern on the back. Leaves. Cool pattern on the back. Oh, I love all of this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute. Oh, I'm such a sucker for this. I don't even like animals that much. I mean, I like my dog, but I don't like others. This is the one that goes with the Cottage Rose. I don't know what it's called, but this is cool. It's kind of black and white, but there's other colors too. So cool patterns on the back, pretty flowers on the front. So this is kind of a neutral palette of colors. So that this is pretty cool. Totally digging it. Loving this. Lots of nice little touches to this paper. Kind of neutral colors, which I love. This is the... I'm going to call it the man paper. I can't think of the name. So this one's kind of cool. It comes with all the patterns. And I love them because on the back sides all have nice kind of neutral patterns on them. You know, like you could do anything with them. A little camping. Okay. And then also you'll get an assortment of die cut pieces that go with this. So these are like super cool pieces that you can use to create a card, you know, with the paper that coordinates. So it's really fun stuff. So you'll just get a random assortment of these. You get about 25 pieces, I think. I mean, approximately. This is not like scientifically accurate, but it's a good approximation. Okay, so you get all those pieces in here because this pack of paper comes with some die cut pieces or sheets. And so we'll give you an assortment of those. Next up, oh, this one is really pretty. This paper is like all about Dina, I'll tell you. This is a wash with something. Again, I don't know the names yet. Look at how pretty that is. Like, I just want to frame this piece. But I'm not. I'm going to use it. And then there's awesome patterns on the back. All of these are watercolored. So again, pretty. You know, they had me at watercolor. Oh my gosh. Totally. So I love that. So these are designed by our Stampin' Up concept artists who paint the designs, and then the other people make them into actual paper, which is pretty awesome. Here's another one. This is the something with linen. You're welcome. By the way, I have a live video that'll be posted that I'll link into this one that has all the that has my new catalog order, so you'll be able to see all this stuff too. Okay. Then this one. Oh, I don't know. I can't think of the name because I'm kind of useless when it comes to the names yet right now. I'll get there. Don't you worry. This one it's like something about Chic. Tray Chic. I don't know. This has got some gold in it and it's so pretty. I love this one. Big time. Like big time. I think this is going to be my favorite. It's got all the seasons in it too, which is really cool. The stamp set is really kind of versatile. Look at that. Polka dot, like pink. God, I love it. There's like layers of polka dots and then gold polka dots. And oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. Okay, so there's that. Next up we have, let's see. This is, let me make sure I've got the right pack. Yeah, this is it's butterfly paper. Again, many super cute patterns with this. Oh, look at how cute that is. Super fun, bright colors. These are mainly, but not all, in the new InColors. But like you can see, that's fresh freesia in there, and there's a yellow. So there's kind of a mix of some colors in here. I love the mix. Love the dots. Love the designs. This is the Tea Boutique. Actually, I know that one by heart. This one is really fun because it's not very tea-ish. There's a couple patterns with tea, but then there's other patterns, you know, with florals or just designs, textures and designs on there. So I love that this is the tea paper, but it's not very tea-ish, if you know what I mean. So only a few tea designs, and then the opposing piece has other stuff. Okay, then we've got some specialty papers that are pretty cool, that are new. So first off, we've got this is the InColor glitter paper, glimmer paper. So those are the 5 InColors, and it's glittery. Super cool. This is the brush, or something about gold. I don't know. But it's really neat. It's going to go with that texture chic stuff. Then we have, are you ready for this? Rose gold paper. So there's like a matte one, a real shiny one, and then kind of an iridescent-y one. How cool is that stuff? But it's all rose gold, so it's really, really pretty. So that's going to be super fun to play with. Okay, and finally, and I didn't have this cut into 6x6 sheets, so I'll show you the full sheet, but they'll come 6x6 like the rest. This is, I think it's called Brushstroke. It's literally got texture in it. Like, check that out. There's like lines in here. It's really cool stuff. And you get 3 sheets. There's a pink, I don't know what color this is. Let's see. Blushing Bride, Night of Navy, Soft Succulent. So a good assortment of color. And these are just really pretty. They're like pearly / textury. Very cool. So these are gonna be fun. And they're not heavy weight. They're not like thick. So I don't know. I think they're gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, so those are all the papers that come in like the standard share. Okay, then I also have a color family share. So let me show you that. Now these are the prints that come in all of the color families. Okay, so we'll start with the neutrals, and you can see there's awesome patterns. There's kind of a polka dotty, sort of a liney, a plaid, and then a floral. So really nice assortment of papers. You can see these are all the neutrals. Then we'll move on to the subtles. Same patterns for all of these papers, just represented in every single Stampin' Up! Color. So these are the subtles. Next up, we'll do the brights. So you can see such pretty papers. That one is out of order. Okay. And then we've got the regals. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then we're going to have the last year's InColors, the 2021 to 23 InColors. So that's the Pale Papaya, Fresh Freesia, Soft Succulent, Polished Pink, and Evening Evergreen. And then finally, the superstars, this year's new InColors. This is Starry Night. Sky, pardon me, Starry Sky, Parakeet Party, Orchid Oasis, Tahitian Tide, and Sweet Sorbet. Oh, so many colors. So 1 share, 2 share, or I want it all. And if you do the I want it all, you don't have to do the motions, the hand motions, but you can. Then you will get an assortment of this. And look at, this is a big fat stack of paper. This is the new host paper. And look at these beautiful patterns, colors, designs. Really a nice versatile pack of paper. Oh, I'm going to love playing with this paper so much. So I really am enjoying these patterns. Looks like we've got, I don't, is that might be pale pink. I would say, well, we can look at the catalog and see what the actual colors are, but I like this because I think there's a good variety. So if you get the I want it all, you're going to get a stack of paper that is seriously thick. Like, whoa. All of this paper. That's like inches of paper. Hours of fun. So many, many, many sheets. I think I might have a list of how many sheets this is. It's quite a few. I'd say a couple hundred easily. But it's a great deal. Now, the first round has already been ordered and will be shipping out, but you can get in on the second round if you register now. So if you missed out, there's still time. So get registered. Again, the description is in, or the link is in the description of this video. And the color of that DSP, that host DSP, is Blackberry Bliss, Daffodil Delight, Mint Macaron, Old Olive, Petal Pink, and Pool Party. Awesome. So I hope you'll join me. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you so much for being here with me, and happy stamping, my friends. Bye.